Today we're going to be looking at the second index law. It is a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is a to the power of m take n. So that's the difference between the second index law and the first index law. And I'm going to go through an example that I believe shows this law quite clearly. So we have a question that says 2 to the power of 6 divided by 2 to the power of 4. Now we know that 2 to the power of 6 expanded looks like so, over 2 to the power of 4. What you do is you cancel out the same amount on the top and the bottom. So we cancel one out, we cancel out another pair, we cancel out another pair, we cancel out our last pair, and you are left with 2 times 2. And we know that 2 times 2 is 2 squared. So that's how the second index law works when you are dividing by a problem that has the same base and different indices. I'm going to show you how to do this using some other examples from the textbook. It says, simplify 5 to the power of 10 divided by 5 to the power of 3 after first writing it in factor form and then giving your answer in index form. Now firstly, 5 to the power of 10 looks like 5 10 times. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then it says over. Now that over can be a fraction. It can also be a division. 5 to the power of 3, which is 5 3 times. So we've just put the question into factor form. We're then going to need to cancel our pairs. Our second pair and our third pair. So we are actually left with 5. Then I need to count them to come up with our index. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 5 to the power of 7. If you'd like to do that without expanding, all you would need to do is simply subtract the indices. Let's look at the next question. D to the power of 12 divided by D to the power of 4. Now you could do that and expand it exactly like before. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then put it over 1, 2, 3, 4, which is the D to the power of 4, and then you would cancel out your pairs, because what you cancel on the top you must cancel on the bottom, and then we are left with D to the power of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. D to the power of 8. Again, there is a quicker way. Get the indices and subtract them. And 12, take 4 equals 8. Therefore, the answer would be D to the power of 8. And that is how you use the second index law through cancelling out. Please make sure you remember that you must cancel out the same amount on the top as is the bottom, and I do that through using pairs. Thanks very much.